micelle formation will occurs when this tail part, that is this tail, hydrophobic, this is hydrophobic part, when hydrophobic part is accumulated, and the hydrophilic part, this is the hydrophilic part, these are the hydrophilic part, this hydrophilic part are away from the center. While droplet, if there is a presence of wild droplet, then this part will attract each other, because wild droplets are hydrophobic, and these tails are also hydrophobic. So hydrophobic part and hydrophobic part, that is non-polar and non-polar part, will attract each other, and the non-polar and the polar part, this is polar part and polar part, are away from this side. So this is called water in while micro emulsion. Water in while in water, this is while in water micro emulsion. So in case of while, if while is present, then this part will inside, and in the outside this part, it means this is polar part. So polar part in outside, and non-polar part inside the cage, that is inside the micelle, we can say. But if micelle form like this, WO, that means water in while microemulsion. So water droplet is present in here, and the polar part, this is the polar part. So polar part attract to the water, and the non-polar part are outside the micelle formation. So here the micelle formation is occur, but this is WO microemulsion, that means water in while, water in while. So there is small amount of water. So around this water, large part of this part, hydrophobic and hydrophilic part, here we can see that the hydrophobic part are away from this center, because these are the non-polar part. This is non-polar, and this is polar part. Water is also polar, so polar will attract each other, and this kind of emulsion will form. So it is emulsion, type of emulsion. This is water in while in water, and this is water in while micro emulsion. Okay, thank you.